Hello guys, my name is Prav Yadav and welcome to the channel. So in this video, we will discuss how you can add and remove users in your Google Analytics. So suppose if you wanting to give your Google Analytics access to your client, any SEO person or your team members. So how you can manage your access. So in this video, we will cover all the things like the data control management and the access management. So once you watch this video, we will understand to which role you can provide to the your teammate or your client. Okay, so now we're going to start. So you will see this is your analytic dashboard, and the bottom of the left section there is a admin button. You can click on this, and you will see this is your admin access dashboard. So there is two option, so account access management and the property access management. So firstly I can clarify what is property and what is account management. So suppose if you have a Google Analytic and where you have multiple websites analytic, then multiple website analytics are the property. Okay, and if you have a multiple property here, and if you're wanting to provide your all property access, then you can proceed with the account access management. And if you're wanting to provide only specific property, so suppose I have a multiple property like DML training, like any another website, and if I wanting to give only DML training property access, then I can proceed with the property access management. So you can click on the property access management, and both of the account access management and the property access management have the same option. So whatever the things we can discuss in the property setting, the same settings have the account access management. Okay, so you will see this is your access management dashboard. So from there you can manage your all accounts and the all users. So now, whenever you are providing access, so once you can look which property you are giving access. So there I'm providing a DML training, a property access. So okay, and after that you can click on the plus icon, and there is a two option: add users and the add users group. So I can proceed with add users, and there you can add an email address for the which email you're providing your Google Analytic access. Click on the enter button, and your email is added. And if you're wanting to notify through the email, so you can check this box. Now we can discuss the data control section. So you will see there is a multiple option. So first we can discuss what is if you're wanting to provide administrator access. So the person will manage your account, entirely manage your account control. So he will manage the any users, he will remove and add any users in your account, in your property. And if he wanting, he can delete you as well if you can give administrator access. So whenever you are giving administrator access, you can 100% make sure, and to the person to he will trustworthy are the your known person. Okay, and the next one is editor access. So he will edit all the data, all the property, but he cannot manage a user. He cannot add any new user. He cannot add remove any users in the existing account. Okay, and the next one is a marketer. So you will see there is he can edit audience, he can edit key events, he can edit the attributes model, lockback, and the events of the property, and including analysis roles. So he will manage all the things. He can edit anything in the data. And the next one is analytics. So he can create and edit shared assets like dashboard and the announcements property. And the next one is a viewer. So in this he will only see the data, but he cannot make any changes. So he cannot configure any changes in the data. So he can only see the data, how the data should be going. And there is next option, data restriction. So suppose I'm giving the marketer access, and if I wanting to, he cannot see the cost related metrics. So suppose if you're running the ad, and in the your Google Analytics the have Google Analytics have the cost related data. So if you wanting to, you can do not share the cost related data to the your client or the any person. So you can select this from here, so he cannot see the cost related metrics. Okay, and the next one is revenue matrix. So suppose a revenue related matrix. So if you can check this box, the user cannot see the revenue related data. Okay, once you guys will satisfy with your data control, then after that you can click on the add button, and here it is, the user is added. And if you're wanting to remove a user, so you will click on the three dot button, and from there you can view user account details. Either you can remove a user. So if you can click on this, user are removed from your Google Analytics. Okay, so overall this is the process for the how you can add and the remove users from your Google Analytics. I guess you guys got the idea. So what is property and the what is account access management, and accordingly you can give access to the your client, your teammate, either any another person. Okay, so if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching guys. And if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me, or your friends, so then you guys have to share your thoughts in the comment section. And if you guys can wanting to connect with me personally, any kind of service project or suggestion, so I can provide my social details over the description section. From there you guys can go to connect with me easily. And for the last, if you guys can wanting to help me something, so you guys will hit the subscribe and the like button, because these things will motivate me to create rapidly videos for you. So I hope you guys will understand, and you guys will do something from your side. So okay, bye bye and take care.